Alright, what is SQL? Now that Alejandra has built out the user-facing checkout features of her website, she realizes that she needs to store all of this information somewhere. She needs her application to be able to store, retrieve, and modify data like username, shipping addresses, payment information, and more. So, in order to build out these features, Alejandra needs to learn some SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. You might be familiar with SQL as a language that data analysts and data scientists use to query and analyze data. SQL stores information in tables, which is simply a collection of information organized into rows and columns. If you work with spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, you may be familiar with working with tables. To get the information, you would write a query or a program that would retrieve data from the table. So here is an example of a query that would select all of the columns, and the star keyword is a shorthand for all from the page views table. So you just select star, which is from all, and then from, or it's shorthand for all. Okay, all. Okay, select all from page views underscore views. Web developers and software engineers also use SQL to build apps that can save, modify, and access data. There is a growing field of data engineering, which is a specialized subset of software engineers who ensure that the applications are working with accurately and efficiently record all of the required data. Now you try it. So add select from users. Okay, so we'll do select, and we lost connection. Okay, so we'll do select star from users to the text editor to select the entire users table from the database. Press run and take a look at the data that is returned. What kinds of data is Alejandra's app able to store and retrieve? Why is it important for her to store this particular set of information? So you can see here we have like the name with the ID, first name, last name, email address, the gender, the IP address, the membership ID. That's amazing. And there's a lot of, yeah, there's over 400 pieces of information in here. It's incredible. Then in the next video, we'll be reviewing everything. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.